Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to go ahead and replace and do a little repair to the back plate of a MacBook Air 13-inch. It's a 2008, I believe it's a, let's see here, a model A1237 is the model number on this guy. So as you can see, I've already gone ahead and removed the top cover, and I went ahead and pulled the old broken damaged screen out, which comes out. There are 4 bolts that go into. You can see my new screen that I got here. Picked that up off of eBay for about 60 bucks. And the new screen, of course, comes with your LED controller down there for the light strip, and then it has 4 mounting holes right there, there, and there. So I went ahead and pulled those 4 screws out of the old one and got my screen to a place where it'll never hurt anyone again in the old dumpster in the sky. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of repair to this. As you can see from the front of the case right here, there's a pretty good damage from where it contacted wherever it hit. I'm not quite sure what happened there, but as you can see, it's pretty bent up and requires me to get back here and pound this out a little bit so that the screen will lay flat. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to peel off this strip out here, which is glued on from the factory, so that I can get a tool back in there and push that down. So once I get that done, then I should be able to move on to the next part, where I replace my screen.